Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one trick that will help you to think fast and speak faster. You will be able to talk very smartly and very fast. Believe me, this technique will surely help you. So watch this video till the end. Yes, please do subscribe to my channel because I keep uploading videos almost every day. Before we start, I have a question for you. The question is that, tell me one thing that you were scared of. You know, my dear friends, why I keep asking questions to you? Only because in this process, some practice will happen. I'm questioning you, you are answering me every day. In this way, some practice is happening, right? So please try to participate. Tell me, have you experienced something like you wanted to say something, but the word is not coming? You know that word, but it is just not clicking and it's not coming out of your mouth. It happened with me many times, believe me. I am sure you also faced this type of situation, right? This happens when we are in a low verbal fluency state. However, there are three things you need to take care of to improve your verbal fluency. Number one, context. Number two, access. Number three, express. Now, what are these three? Context means the things which are there in your mind, which you are going to share with the people. Your ideas should be interesting. People should love those ideas. Then only they will stick to your words and they will listen to you carefully. That's the first thing. Secondly, you should have those words accessed in your mind. You should train your mind in such a way that whenever you need, you will be able to access that in your mind. And number three, when you can access those words, those sentences, you will be able to express that immediately. So this is a process. First, you need to have interesting idea. Secondly, they should be stored in your mind. Thirdly, those ideas you will be able to deliver it fluently without any problem. So my dear friends, I am sharing with you one technique which will help you to solve this problem. So for this, we need few things. Firstly, get your mobile. You have to put your recorder on, or you need to have a pen and a paper. Number two, you need to speak. So whenever you speak, it should be loud and clear. And number three, you have to do this 3 times. I'm sure you are confused. You are thinking, what is this going on? I have no clue, right? Let me explain you. The process is, suppose I give you a letter B. Okay, you have the letter B in your mind. Now your task will be, in 1 minute, you have to scan your mind and find out all the words you know with the letter B and note it down. Or it is always best to keep the recorder on and speak it loud. Suppose I have the letter B. Okay, what all things comes in my mind? Brave, bone, body, basket, balloon, banyan, black, biscuit. So in this way, these words are coming in my mind. It should be immediate, okay? And you should record it. Initially, you will face a lot of problem. Your mind will not think. You need to fight with your mind and train your mind in such a way that after a few days, after a week, it gets easy for you. Every day, 3 letters you pick up and try to speak. Once you're comfortable after a week, pick up some different things like some situation. Morning habits. What are your morning habits? But not one word. One sentences. 3 or 4 word sentences. Suppose morning habits. Okay? You can say, I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I have my breakfast. I go to college. I come back from college. I play guitar. I play cricket. I attend classes. So in this way, form small sentences in 1 minute and try to figure out how much sentences you can figure it out. In this way, what happens, my dear friend, you are not memorizing anything. You are not memorizing, remember. This is a big thing. You are not memorizing. You are just training your mind. Whenever you face some situation, your mind will be prepared to give you those words and you will have no problem. Believe me. And that is how you increase your verbal fluency. I'm sure you like this video. If you have any question, you can ask me. Till the next video. Thank you so much.